The trick to learning a new accent is getting to know your mouth and your mouth muscles. In this video, we will be focusing on some basic parts of the mouth. Your mouth muscles work perfectly in your native language, but you're learning a new language, so you have to think about a new way to move your mouth. We are going to practice some English sounds in the front, middle, and back of the mouth. As you practice, notice where the sounds are made. I'm going to start with the lips. Follow along with me. Press your lips together and say, mmm. Your lips stop the air and force it through your nose. Mmm. Mmm. Your lips can also stop the air and then release it. Put some air pressure behind your lips before you release it. P, p. Your lips can work together with your teeth to make sounds. Fold your lip under your teeth like this and blow. Can you feel that the air is continuous? The teeth and the tongue can work together. Gently put your tongue between or behind your top teeth. The th sound is similar to the f sound. Squeeze the air between your tongue and teeth. What is behind the teeth? Take the tip of your tongue and feel the top of your mouth behind your teeth. Do you feel the flat bony part? This is where we form sounds like t, n, s. Try them with me. T, n, s. The back part of the ridge. Now pull your tongue along the ridge and further back. Do you feel the back of the ridge? This is where we form sounds like ch and sh. The middle and back of the mouth. Now glide your tongue on the top of your mouth from the front to the back. Notice the top of the mouth curves up and then down at the back. The middle of the mouth is important for English vowels, but we'll explain that in another video. Now use the back of your tongue to touch the top of your mouth and say, mm. The tongue stops the air and the sound goes up into your nose like mm. Can you feel the difference between these three sounds? Mm, 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 mm. Are nasal sounds. The sound goes into the mouth and out of the nose. When the tongue changes the shape of the inside of the mouth, you hear different sounds. Now try stopping the air at the back and releasing it. K, k. The k sound is like the p sound. The air stops and releases. K, p, k. Try saying sounds in your native language or languages and seeing where and how the sounds are made. Thanks for watching. Check out more videos to continue your practice.